We've all grown accustomed to disposable tech, haven't we? Gadgets engineered to fail just past their warranty. It's a cynical reality, but sometimes, just sometimes, a manufacturer builds something different. A tool designed for permanence, for seamless integration into a demanding professional life. The 49-inch digital interactive smartboard is one such rare exception. Its most remarkable feature, the core that redefines what an interactive display can be, lies in its open application ecosystem and robust Android 12 core, running on 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, all connected via 5G Wi-Fi. This isn't just a display, it's a fully fledged, enterprise-grade collaborative hub supporting up to 10 users and 4 devices simultaneously. Imagine a Tuesday morning meeting, the kind where you usually fumble with adapters and try to get 3 laptops to share a screen. With this board, content streams wirelessly, notes are annotated in real time by multiple participants, and files are shared with a simple QR code scan to your phone, all without a single hiccup. It simply works, allowing your team to focus on the work, not the technology. It genuinely feels like the industry standard, finally setting the bar where it belongs. Physically, this board is built like an artifact, not a disposable toy. Its high-grade glass offers a hardness of 7H or greater, making it remarkably resistant to breakage and scratches. This is a substantial piece of equipment, hefty and dense, a cold assurance of quality that won't warp or fail under pressure. From its robust display to its seamless wireless connectivity, every premium specification translates directly into saved time, into fewer frustrating moments, and into a tool that feels ready for a lifetime of service. That 3-year warranty and 24-hour technical support simply underline the confidence in its engineering. Now, if I had to find a fault, and you know I always do, it's that the sheer breadth of features in its open application ecosystem might present a slight learning curve at first, almost overwhelming in its possibilities. But that initial investment of time pays dividends, unlocking a level of versatility you simply won't find elsewhere. It's a minor complaint, easily outweighed by the sheer utility and build quality. At the time of recording, prices on these advanced units have seen some significant fluctuations, and it's worth verifying the current market rate. I put the link below so you can check the current price.